All right, y'all, I'm here to meet this celebrity, man. He's out there already filming, right?
Is a boot, and the signature is from Kai Sanat.
Enjoy that.
Okay, we got to do the flyover. Enough talk.
What's going on, Matt DV family? We are headed over to New York. I'm going to meet one of the YouTube titans over there. We're gonna grab something to eat, man. Let's go! It's got the scaffolding here, so we can't really get that good shot of how old and rustic the building looks, or how old and antique-ish the building looks. But
oh my God, are you Matt DV?
Oh,
man, I love you, dude.
Look,
yo, can I get a picture?
Look,
can I get a?
Look.
Oh, I'm on video.
You're on video, man.
It's your boy Badlands Chugs. Watch Matt D. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell your dog, tell your cat. Matt DV is where it's at. Oh yeah.
Oh, you heard him rhyming, y'all? You know he from that hip hop era. About to go up in here. Yo, we walking up in here. The first table.
2 cheeseburgers, 1 bacon, 2 bacon cheeseburgers. Yeah, let's do it. 2 bacon cheeseburgers. Yeah. 4 altogether. Oh, and can I also get 5 Coca-Colas?
5
Coca-Colas.
Small, medium, or large?
Large, definitely large.
Did y'all hear that? Okay. He's getting 5 Coca-Colas. Yo.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Is that going in the boot?
Of course it is.
Oh. Y'all thought this was a game?
This right here is a boot, and the signature is from Kai Sanat, the famous streamer. Big ups to Kai Sanat all day. Yo, Kai, we're going to put some history into this boot that you signed and get it on and experience Coke like it was 100 years ago with the syrup. All right, real sugar too. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Enough talk. Ice always gets in the way.
With the ice. Easy. Ice cold.
That's what I'm talking about. Now let me sit my behind down and eat some food.
You guys seen it here. You seen it live.
That was cold.
We had England. Even
was cold.
England witnessed it. Okay. Look at this. We gotta get that. Oh, would you get bacon too?
Yeah.
Ooh, I got the fries.
With the fries too.
The fries look
Thank
good.
you so much.
Enjoy that. Look at that bacon.
Okay, we got to do the flyover. We got to do the flyover like Top Gun.
Look at that burger, man. You got a burger, lettuce, tomatoes. I got a side pickle. I want some more pickle stuff. Got that bacon burger. That's real bacon right there, y'all. That ain't that tail of ham. That's the real deal.
Yep.
Did they put mayo on it? I love mayonnaise, man. Mayo is the best.
Mm-hmm. Get some of that.
Oh.
There you go. You got mustard?
There is mustard,
I
yeah.
rock with the mustard. Hold on, no. Let me get that.
Mustard first?
Yeah.
D-Dubs has
Oh, mash that down.
Well,
That's that joker right there, y'all. Got that burger, that cheeseburger. I'm gonna call it a New York cheeseburger, not New York, but New York.
how's that? Yeah? That's what I'm talking about.
I like that flavor. Even in the meat, very flavorful.
Nice.
What say you?
Delicious. My goodness. This is so good. That's what I'm talking about. So many people here. This is so many people from all over the world. You know, pick up to my piece from East London. Oh my goodness.
The fries are good.
If you're ever in New York, you definitely got to stop by.
I wonder how they made them.
I'm gonna finish this right here.
Look like burnt a
For
little
your
bit
boy
like on the
Badlands
sides. I don't know.
Yeah, I wonder how they do that.
I don't know.
Peace of love,
Good though.
folks.
I always wondered.
See how the fries are like burnt on the side a little bit? On the tips? How'd that happen in the deep fryer? Look at these tips. How do you think they do the tips like that?
They fry them.
And they get
They fry them in the deep fryer. The way the crinkle is.
yeah.
They I think the way they cut, they're like really like they're like less on the tip.
Yeah. Interesting.
I think that's how you do it. You know, I don't know.
I gotta let y'all know that this burger, the bacon on it is real flavorful. It tastes like it's sugar.
Yo, hold on. Let me get some of that.
Bacon. It's good, right? The fries are good.
Yo, this ain't McDonald's.
I know. That's why I was wondering how they fry
This
it.
ain't nothing. Look at this. I've never seen
I've never seen a fry.
French fries burnt on the tip.
Yeah.
I tried to play it off, rap you with some BS, but I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what they're doing. This is over 100 years of French frying experience.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
It is
It's
so
over 100
good.
years, y'all. So they look a little old on the edges, but they're good and fried.
You too, man. Hey, great to meet you.
That Vimto job we did last year in London, the Vimto by itself.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fucking great.
Our English friends are
Thank
leaving.
you, man. It's so good to meet y'all, all right?
Big up the London, but Liverpool
All
too.
right. Thank you. Hey, sorry for sitting, all right? All right, my man. Hey.
Enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Oh, well, I live here.
You have made my son's day.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
You too. That's beautiful.
So
That is
the
beautiful.
people from England were really here to see me, and they were acting like they knew Badland.
Hey,
You guys, he's
I
the
had
superstar.
I had did a chug in London, right? Because I was in
I didn't know
London.
that.
About 6 months ago, I was in London.
Oh, I did not know that.
And oh man, I stayed like right by where Big Ben is.
Yes.
Right across the river.
Yeah,
Right across the River
the
Thames.
Thames River, yeah.
Thames.
Yep.
It's funny. All those years watching Benny Hill. You know when it first came on, it shows it shows like Thames. I used to think it was Thames. Because it's spelled
Thames River.
It's spelled Thames. I'm like, oh, Thames.
Yes.
No, but it's River Thames.
Yes.
But so I had did a lemon Coca-Cola, a
That's
2 liter, and it was so awesome. And they saw the video, so I just thank God for all the love around the world. It's the best thing ever.
Yo, I'm sitting here laughing, right? And I had to soak in what he just said. I thought it was Thames too. The Thames. That's Tim's?
It's Tim's.
Get back.
It's Tim's.
You remember Benny Hill? Well, all of y'all don't remember Benny Hill. Just us cats over 30. Benny Hill, yes. I thought it was Thames. It's Tim's. That's how you spell the Thames River too?
It's Tim's. Thames.
Wow. See
Come
that?
on,
You learn
come
something
on,
every
come on.
day, man.
Come on.
Remember.
Let's do an over 30 like flashback. You remember the theme song? Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. You don't remember? No. You ain't watched no
Benny Hill? Benny Hill?
No, not from the Benny Hill show. Like when it first comes on. And they show like Thames. That's
Yes.
people who produced it.
Yeah.
Every time you hear that, come on.
He got me with
After
that.
the Channel 9 News,
Ooh, you heard
11.
it? That was back when we had only 7 channels on the television.
That's right, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9, and 13 if you want to learn something.
Yeah. Oh.
No, 47 Spanish channel.
How about 11?
I said, oh God, 11 alive.
11,
Yeah.
yes, 11 alive.
Oh God,
Look, he's showing his
I'm
age.
showing my
man.
age now.
What did you think, Mason?
I thought it was good.
Yeah.
It was a good time. So
Scale of 1 to 10.
I would say it's like a 7.5.
7.5.
11 out of 10, man. Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and give it an 8.5, 9. This was really good. All right, Mason is a thumbnail maker, and he was like a 7. He's trying to throw shade on him, though.
Wait, what are we talking about? Sorry.
I'm talking about you.
Talk about me.
Yeah. No, it's a 7.
It's a 7. Oh,
It's
the
a
burger.
7.
Yeah. I would say like 7.
7.
Yeah.
7. And look,
It's gone. Everything but the tomato.
Can't waste that ketchup.
I'm down for whatever.
Yes.
As long as you feed me at Lexington Candy Shop.
Yep.
It was good.
Lexington Candy Shop. Yeah, I give it 8.5 to 9. I'm gonna finish eating, man. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people, but we love you, cats, man, and we'll see you maybe out on the streets.
This place been here before.
Yeah, before us.
This place been before our grandparents was born.
These are deli pickles.
Our grandma's shop was to visit here. That's how old this place is.
I'd rather have the dill, the original dill pickles instead of the deli
I
pickle.
like those. They seem a little not sour enough.
Yeah,
They seem just
yeah.
kind of neutral.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. I want more sour. I want the original dill pickles that go on hamburgers. Hamburger pickles.
Yeah, just say this isn't like a sour pickle.
Yeah. It's like a kosher. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you need thumbnails or editing or whatever, yeah, that's what I do. mconradmedia.com or my Instagram or Twitter. It's Mason Conrad without the first O. Just MASN Conrad.
There we go, y'all. We may be using him.
Hey, man.
I gotta follow this guy.
I've been using him for the past
4 years now.
4 years.
And actually, this month is 4 years.
That's a long time. He said, drink up.